Hello everyone. This evening we are going to unbox the Joola table tennis shoes that I bought. And it should be size 38. So let's see. Alright, there you go. Check out the size. Didn't say anything about the size yet, but these Joola shoes seem to be legit. Oh, it's so light. It has markings over there where it is glued, but that's fine as it is only bought for 1,500 pesos, almost. So this is the shoes, and there you go. It's size 38. The sole seems to be a really good rubber, but I haven't tested it yet, so we will find out. Thank you for watching, and watch out for my next unboxing. See ya!